Razer Blade Pro gaming laptop with mechanical keyboard launched. It took many years, but we have finally reached a point where we have laptops that can not only match the performance on most desktop PCs, but outperform them. Razer has announced the latest version of its powerhouse gaming laptop, the Blade Pro, which can leave most desktop PCs in the dust. The specifications on the laptop are top-notch, and expectedly it has been priced at a whopping $3,699, roughly Rs. 2.47 lakhs. The new Razer Blade Pro comes with a mechanical keyboard, yes, you read it right, that has a large-sized touchpad to improve the gaming experience of users. The laptop packs a 17.3-inch 4K, 2160 by 4096 pixels, display that comes with support for Nvidia's G-Sync technology to eliminate screen tearing. If this was not enough, the laptop is also powered by Intel Core i7-6700HQ processor and packs an Nvidia GeForce GTX 1080 graphics card coupled with 32GB of DDR4 2100 MHz RAM. The SSD storage options for the laptop range from 512GB to 2TB. In terms of connectivity options, the laptop comes with an HDMI output, an Ethernet jack, USB Type-C, 3 USB 3.0 ports, and an SD card reader. As the company has been able to keep the size of the keyboard in check, despite it being mechanical, the laptop is 22.5 mm thick and weighs 3.54 kilograms. Due to its powerful specifications, the laptop is well capable of supporting VR content. The new Razer Blade Pro will be available for sale next month. The company has further announced that its Blade and Blade Stealth laptops, which are currently available in only US, will be launched in Germany, France, and the UK. The Blade Stealth has been priced at €1,099 or £999, roughly Rs. 81,800, while Blade has been priced from €1,999 or £1,749, Rs. 1.43 lakhs.